Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today going to be opening up another one of these Star Wars Black and White Return of the Jedi boxes. Definitely check out my other videos. I've got these from Blowout Cards for their Black Friday specials. And they had them for a really good price. They still have some of the, I think they still had them last time I looked, but I don't think they're going to last too long. But I bought a few boxes to open on the channel. I'm saving a couple of them for the cheap box opening series for years from now. We try to do one of those every year. Oh, there's the code there. All right, there's your pack odds. Okay, so our hit last time was in that pack, so we'll save that one for the end. See if it's in the same one. So we got Han and 3PO, Darth Vader, got an Ewok with a baby. We've got Vader with his Imperial dudes there. We've got a blue Emperor, got that thing. We've got Ewok with R2 and Luke in the Ewok village. It's got Spirit Obi-Wan with Luke. We've got Leia and Han. We've got Stormtroopers. We've got a Sepia Vader versus Luke. There's some concept art of the Emperor. That's kind of cool. Emperor's Throne concept art. We've got Darth Vader without his helmet and C-3PO telling stories. We'll go ahead and sleeve our Sepia. Alright, next pack. We got the Emperor, the Everyone's Throne. We got I think that's Chewie up there in that walker. Luke versus Vader. Jabba's Palace there with Boba Fett. Oh, a red. I just thought this was sepia for a second, but it is 1 out of 10. Han and Chewie. That's nice. And then a Boba Fett iconic character. So some nice hits in this box. Definitely enjoy pulling reds. And I'll go ahead and sleeve this Boba Fett too. These iconic characters are a really cool set, insert set. And then we got Luke with Yoda. He's not doing so well. And we got Leia there with the Stormtrooper. Biker Trooper. We got Leia in disguise with Chewie. Gamorrean Guard. Haha, see, I remember the name of that. We got Luke on the skiff, Jabba's skiff. We've got Vader. We've got a sepia of Ewoks just taking out Stormtroopers. A poster. Oh, wow. You can watch. Wow, this is cool. So back when Return of the Jedi came out, they had like a marathon. You could watch Star Wars, then The Empire Strikes Back, and Return of the Jedi. I definitely would have been there for that. But I do remember going to watch Return of the Jedi, but I don't remember seeing the triple feature. That's awesome. Yeah, because whenever Episode 7 came out, I took my daughter to the marathon. She loved it. And whenever Episode 9 came out, I took my nephew, Junior. He's been on the channel before. And we watched all 9 movies back to back. That was a rough one, but it was awesome. And that was the opening nights of those movies too, by the way. So we got Vader, and we got everyone on the Falcon. Great memories. Good old Star Wars memories. Alright, so we have Luke and Chewie, Han and Leia. We got the Emperor. We got Darth Vader and Luke being brought to the Emperor. Blue, Han, and Leia. Behind the scenes, we got Chewie and C-3PO with some Ewoks. Alright, we got Han, we got Luke, Nin Num. We have Luke there, and a sepia Luke. I might sleeve that one. Behind the scenes, oh, look at all the prosthetics. Throne room duel, that's great. And Leia and Han. Okay, so let's see. Do we get a sketch or we get an auto? And if we get an auto, do we get an awesome auto? Alright, so we have Luke. Ooh, I think we got a sketch. There's Vader. We got Chewie and Luke. Yeah, we got a sketch, so we'll save that one. And we got a green. Han Solo being prepared for dinner. Man, I love pulling sketches. I haven't pulled a sketch for so long because we just haven't been able to open a lot of Star Wars stuff recently. And back in these days, you had good shots at getting sketch cards. All these new products, it's like 1 or 2 sketch cards per case, so it's really hard to hit them. We got Maydeen, iconic character. Got the Emperor and Leia and Han. Okay, so first let's see who the artist is. Oh, we get to add a sketch card to the collection. Okay, as you can see, Star Wars. Congratulations, you have discovered a Star Wars black and white sketch card featuring characters and scenes from Star Wars Return of the Jedi. Tim Shin did this one. I'm pretty sure I have some Tim Shin sketches in my collection. Wow, that looks like an Ewok. Ah, nice. There's a Wicket. Nice Wicket sketch there. That's nicely done by Tim Shin. I like it. And I will add this to my... I actually have one of these right here. I can just put it in my... I've been putting my sketch cards in mag holders. I just happen to have one right here. There it is. Nice Wicket sketch by Tim Shin. This was a really good box. We got a green Han Solo being prepared for dinner, and we got a General Maydeen, iconic characters, Boba Fett, iconic characters, and this Han Solo and Chewbacca out of 10 red. So pretty awesome. A couple nice little hits there. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos later.